Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see in the right hand side this is search button, just click on it and after that enter your model number Z690 AXV3, then hit enter. Then click of name of title. After that it will open new tab and then click to support. So select any operating system because installations process same. You can see this video and install a driver any operating system. Okay, audio driver. So this is audio driver and this is, I just click to download. You can see this is start downloading. Just complete it. I click to open. After complete, then double click to exe. You can see this is extract to your system for the installation. Then click on yes. After that you can see this is extract to installations. Now you can see this is installing the audio driver. It will take some time. It will close automatically as this is installed. So this is closed means this is installed. Close it. Chipset. So first install this one and click to download. It will start downloading. It is completed. Just open it. Then click to yes. And then double click to exe. Then click on yes. Now this is installing. Then scroll down and you can see Intel INF installations and click to download. Then it is done. Just single click to open and double click to this is setup. Just run. Then click on yes. And then next extract install. Now this is installing. And it's installed and close it. And then close. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver and click to download. Okay, start downloading. And just single click open after download completed. Then double click on exe. And then click on yes. You can see the LAN driver is installing and wait few seconds. It will close. Install means this is closed automatically. Then double click. Click on yes. This is extracting and installing. It will close automatic means this is installed. So guys, this is closed automatically. This is installed. VJ driver. This is VJ driver and this is size. You just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see this is download box. Then it is downloaded. Just open it and double click to exe. And then click on yes. Now this is extracting. After that, now this is graphic card installing. It will take some time and it will close automatically means this is installed. So this is close automatic means this is installed. Bluetooth driver. So you can see this is Bluetooth driver and this is size. Just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box, and wait, it will complete. Then click on this downloaded file. So guys, it is done. Just single click to open. Now double click to launch this exe format. Then click on yes. Now you can see the install Bluetooth driver. And then close it. It is automatically closed when this is installed. WLAN means Wi-Fi. So this is Wi-Fi, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. Okay, so I already downloaded this one. Just double click. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. And then close it.